हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Shri S.E. Verma, Learned Counsel for the respondents, full stop para. By means of this writ petition, the petitioner has sought a writ of certiorari for quashing the order dated 16/5/2015 passed by the respondent number 1, the Deputy Director of Consolidation in reference number 314 of 2014-15 full stop para. By this order, a reference forwarded to the Deputy Director of Consolidation has been accepted full stop para. The dispute between the parties is regarding the area on the spot of plots that have been allotted to them full stop. The reference itself was forwarded to give effect to the orders dated 3/1/2016, 30/4/2003, 21/12/2004 and 28/12/2004 passed by the consolidation officer in proceedings, under section 9A in bracket 2 bracket out of the act full stop. These orders were passed in objection numbers 423, 129, 255 respectively, and dispute in these objections pertained to plot numbers 126, 203 and 207 full stop para. The matter had earlier come up before this court by means of writ petition number 63595 of 2013 full stop. This writ petition had also been filed by the petitioner in the instant petition full stop. The writ petition filed in the year 2013 was allowed wide order dated 27/11/2013 full stop. The order passed by the Deputy Director of Consolidation was set aside and the matter was remanded back with the following directions full stop para. The matter is remanded to Deputy Director of Consolidation, who shall get the measurement of Sector 12 also and correct the access area of various chuck holder in whose chuck access area is found full stop para. In pursuance of the directions contained in the aforesaid order of remand, it appears that fresh measurements were carried out on the spot and a report in this regard was submitted full stop. This report pertains to the area of Sector 12 full stop para. It was reported that upon measurement, the total area of Sector 12 was found to be 1.708 hectare, while according to the revenue records, the area should have been only 1.688 hectare full stop para. Once the report was made, an objection was filed by the petitioner thereto full stop. A copy of the said objection is available on record as annexure number 14 to the writ petition and I have perused the same full stop. It consists of 10 paragraphs full stop. However, in most of the paragraphs, objections have been raised regarding chuck roads and regarding reservation of land for abadi etc. full stop. These objections in my considered opinion are wholly baseless and nothing but an attempt to co-found the issue full stop. These objections have no relation to the dispute which was with regard to the area of plots on the spot full stop. The only points of any consequence are that the measurements were carried out without notice or information to the petitioner and in her absence full stop para. The other objection is that both sectors number 9 and 12 should have been measured together and not separately, full stop. Insofar as this objection is concerned, in my considered opinion, the same is devoid of substance, full stop. There was no direction by the writ court in the order of remand requiring such a measurement, full stop. In fact, the only direction was that the area of sector 12 be measured, and this is precisely what has been done, full stop, para. The writ petition contains no averment that no notice were issued or no information was given to the petitioner before the measurement was carried out, full stop. In the absence of any such categorical averment in the writ petition, even this contention in my considered opinion can be accepted, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये 110 की स्पीड से डिक्टेशन हो गया है. एक जगह कन्फाउंड था, हमने कोफाउंड कर दिया. ठीक है, कन्फाउंड है. तो चलिए ये हो गया. अब एससी वर्मा तो बताने की ज़रूरत है नहीं आप सबको, आप सब लोग इंटेलिजेंट हो, आप लोग बना लोगे. ठीक है, इसमें नंबर्स थोड़े ज़्यादा आए हैं, डेट्स भी आई हुई हैं, और नाम तो कोई भी नहीं है इसमें, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो चलिए बताइएगा कैसी लगी डिक्टेशन. थैंक यू सो मच, और मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन में. तब तक लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते रहिएगा, अपने दोस्तों में फैलाते रहिएगा. बाय बाय.